In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend overlays in Photoshop using blend modes and opacity. We're going to take a main image and combine it with an overlay like a texture, a light leak, or a subtle pattern to give it character without getting complicated. Overlays are great for adding mood, depth, or a creative finish, and the whole process takes just a minute once you know where to look. Start by opening your main image in Photoshop so it's the active document. This will be the foundation for your effect. Then bring in your overlay by dragging the file directly into the document. You'll see it appear as a new layer above your image. That's exactly what you want. Make sure the overlay sits over the entire canvas so the effect covers the photo evenly. Next, go to the Layers panel and click on the overlay layer to make sure it's selected. This tells Photoshop that the changes you're about to make should apply to the overlay, not the background image. At the top of the Layers panel, find the Blend Mode drop-down. By default, it reads Normal, which means Photoshop is just stacking the layers without blending them. Change the Blend Mode to Overlay. Overlay is designed to interact with the highlights and shadows in your photo, boosting contrast and letting the texture or light effect merge naturally with the image. Immediately, you should see your photo transform. Details pop, tones shift, and the overlay feels integrated rather than pasted on. From here, refine the intensity with the opacity slider, which is right next to the blend mode. Lowering opacity dials the effect back for a more realistic cinematic feel. Increasing it makes the overlay louder and more pronounced. A small adjustment goes a long way, so try subtle increments until it looks right for your image. If you want to explore different vibes, try other blend modes. Soft light gives a gentler, more understated version of overlay, perfect for delicate texture or a hint of glow. Hard light creates a stronger, punchier contrast that can look dramatic with bold textures. Multiply darkens the image by blending the overlay into the shadows, which is great for adding grit or deepening mood. Screen does the opposite, brightening by blending with the highlights, ideal for light leaks, haze, and dreamy atmospheres. That's all there is to it. You've opened your main image, added an overlay, selected it, changed the blend mode to overlay, and fine-tuned the result with opacity with a few blend mode options to experiment with. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.